Doctor, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Dr. Sangeeta. I am from Kerala. I did my UG and PG as well in Kerala itself. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Physiology in KVG MCH Sullia.
And why you became a doctor?
See, that was like considered one of the noble profession where you can serve a lot of people. And actually, in fact, I was working in the government department, government services for the last 7-8 years. Now I shifted into physiology department so that I can teach also some of the students and impart knowledge to them.
Physiology is such an interesting subject. Like how you enjoy teaching physiology to the
It was
children?
one of my favorite topic. Like once I started learning medicine, and one thing I understood is like unless you know physiology, you can't learn medicine or any pathophysiology, nothing. So you'll be zero in all these things until you know physiology. So imparting the knowledge in terms of the basics of your human body is important. So I thought like physiology and teaching was something I really like. So imparting knowledge to students, especially in terms of physiology, is like a background or basic foundation of medicine.
What you would like to tell the young medical graduate, MBBS students?
Now the problem with the students is like you were telling, like they most of the time they are in phone and also hardly they do any reading. So they have to keep reading a lot in terms of medicine because medicine is a vast like an ocean. There's so much information you can gather, but nowadays like they hardly read books. So read as much as possible is one thing I want to inform the students, and go for the really good books, not for the simple modified and the simplified books that are available in the market these days.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
So, Dr. Narayana Hulla, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Okay. I'm a retired professor working in vaccination clinic as a consultant for the last 3 years.
Then ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದ್ರಿ?
That was my dream and parents' wish. They supported me to become a doctor, education and all.
That's really great, sir. Then what do you really like in your profession?
I like because I worked in various domains, so I could deliver all the 3 things PPC, that is preventive, promotive and curative services.
You are a professor in preventive and
Community medicine now, but I am covering other areas also now. I am teaching in ECLS, that is emergency care life support,
Okay.
basic life support,
That's
and finding where the gaps are there among the healthcare service providers and trying to fill that gap through workshops.
that's ethics is so important in life.
Yeah.
What is your advice to the MBBS students, doctor?
Read and write and remember. You have to read. Whatever you read, you should be able to remember. For that you can write and then practice till you become perfect, and practice to remain perfect.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shreya Shradas. So I am studying in KVJ Medical College, and I wanted to become a doctor because I wanted to serve people like all over the India, from the rich to poor, like mainly the rich people, like mainly the poor people who do not get that much access. So when you come here, you can really serve people. Like serving people should be your main goal, and when you serve people, like you can you can be happy by yourself. So like that makes you more like productive and like think about yourself in a good way. Like when people look at you as if you are a doctor, you can save lives. It gives you a little bit positivity, and little bit positivity makes a lot of positivity. Share positivity.
My name is Arjun. I'm from Kerala, and currently I'm studying in KVG MCH, first year MBBS. Why I wanted to become a doctor? First of all, it was my parents' dream. Then, in the process, I also aspire that dream to become a doctor, and I want to serve the people. I wish to do more in this profession. Do better. Thank you.
I want to become a doctor to accomplish my and my parents' wish and to serve the needy patients. I wanted to become a
doctor, firstly it was my father's dream, then mine also, and also I wanted to serve people and take away people's misery, and no other profession felt more perfect than this. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Maithili Amin and I want to become a doctor because I want to treat people who can't afford the treatment and give them free treatment so that like even they can get the right amount of treatment they deserve. And yeah, it was my dream to become a doctor. Thank you.
Why you became a doctor?
I wanted to become a doctor to fulfill my father's wish and to serve the nation and to be a better human. Thank you.
I wanted to become a doctor. It was my wish, my father's wish and my grandfather's wish, and I want to serve patients, and I have seen so many of them suffer, especially my mom. So I wanted to become a doctor and serve people. Yeah. I wanted to be a doctor because there is no one from my family, from both my father's and mother's side. So I'm the first doctor from my family, and it was my dream since my childhood. I had no other intentions of other than medical, and this is my. I have come to this profession with my whole heart, and I'll be dedicated ever.
That's so nice. Thank you.